But stress out. Some of them gal I need for stop. You don't know it's your girl D. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You don't know it's your girl D, and today me I go give una a story where una go laugh till una dead. Probably some people na laugh cause una face not work. But if that story gonna make you laugh, something wrong. No, this story is gonna be about my baby daddy. Me I telling about the first time we had sex. Yeah, so guys, stay tuned. Remember to subscribe. Hit the subscription button right now because that story is the story of the day. Una no go know me I go tell unu. But when me sex my baby daddy, I bet say unu I go love it. Yeah. Una go like that story. I'm gonna ask Jesus. But if I flip my ear cause it's nice, so I like it and I might ear. Uvex. Alright guys, don't go nowhere. We're gonna jump straight into the story right now. Don't mind my bun, but I just say go alive. People, you know what say? The first time when me and my baby father have sex, I never me and him for have sex. How are you there? Lord God have mercy. Yeah, girl. I never me and the boy for have sex. Guess what one the boy have sex? One of my friend. Me look my baby father, give me friend. Yes, me look the boy for my friend. That's how we start. Do the little ting. I can tell you how it go from the top. Rewind, fast forward, play. Remember, subscribe. If you don't want to hear more story like this, cause me have a whole heap of story for tell you now. Like over here, so you're gonna get the bestest. Is that a word? Over here, so you're gonna get the best story them. So watch you know. Me did I come out of a relationship. I was coming out of a 3-year relationship. And the truth is, I thought I was broken at that point in time because I think me did love the boy when me left. But unfortunately, it wasn't love. I was infatuated by him. Because I'm now old enough to know the difference with love and infatuation. And that was most definitely infatuation. So I was deeply infatuated by him. Now, I thought that I loved him, but I didn't. Anyways, my children's father, and I were not supposed to be together. Reason being, when I met him for the first time, I was working in a bar. But that was not temporary. I was working in the bar because I was asked to work in the bar for the weekend. When I was asked to work in the bar for the weekend, he came in there the Saturday night. And he was with a girl. I don't know if the girl was his girlfriend or his friend or whatever. But he was with a girl. And the girl that he was with, the girl was a little bit out there. Like, she loud. Okay, back up. Nothing is wrong with loud people because I'm loud. But that girl had, like, ew written all over her. And I don't know who you are, but I didn't like you then and I still don't like you now. And I won't ever like you, period. So, I'm gonna start boom now, zine guys. And I was there in the bar. And the girl came over to me and she said to me that, hey, like, can you put... Wait. She wanted for the persons that play pool, you know what the things are called. I don't remember what it is right now, but they were for $50. So she wanted one of that. She wanted one. People, the girl did want one of that. One, you know, one dege one. But give her the one. Now listen, me not working at this bar full time. I was just doing a temporary job for the weekend. So I will not know everything about the bar. Even if we working there permanently either. It don't mean say like me know everything about in there either. So the way how the girl come after me was like very wrong and I just did not like her approach at all. So me didn't know I'm in at the bar. So the catty come and she buy the thing. Me give her, she gone about her business. She gone to the table, she put in the thing in the slot. When she push it in, it's like no ball no come down. Or me not really know nothing about pull backs. So the truth is I don't remember what the hell happened. All I know say is this catty come to me and me know say me figure one another one. Now them time that me did little bit and wassy. Bad. So she pull up on me and she say, she need another one. I was like, can I get the money, please? You want another one? I need the money. Like, you not gonna make my stock shot. I don't know you from nowhere, sis. So when I said that to her now, it's like, she just storm off because she say like that bartender girl, the ray, and she talk off her face and she go on with her attitude and thing. But me never that made her because me never got into stuff for fight, especially over $50. Like, come on. Like, it's not even my box. It's not even my table. So I'm not finna fight nobody over foolishness. I was just sitting down, like, not saying nothing to her. I was letting her be her. So basically, she go for him. When she go for him, me hear him come and he must say, mommy, like, he must say, mommy, but he wasn't talking to her. Like, he was talking to his mother. But it's like, the girl come back to him now and say, she called him mother name. I know his mother name now, but I did not know it then, so I won't say it because when she called it, I did not remember the name that she called. Not because I know the name now, means I'm going to reveal it. No, because Ray. So she called him mother name and she say, where that lady there? And him say, mommy, downstairs. And then when she no storm off to go to the mother because it's like, remember them not know me and fee mother, our head gone. Like, really gone. If an argument, if a war, him mother ready for anything. So, she no look like she not gonna call the mother because she did want war vibes or whatever. So when him come to me, him said to me, say, sell me one of that token. And I say, why the girl I behave so? Like, I don't own the pool box. I don't know about it. And him say, that's all right, man. Make sure go on. Just give me one more and just squash it. And he give me the $50. And when she come, him give it to her. Him never say nothing to her, nothing. Him just give it to her. She step off like she feel like, say, I give him one or whatever. I mean, I never know what she feel. But, yeah, she just storm off like, whatever. So, me, you know, the day I'm easy myself in a car. You know? Not to watch on here. Me not to watch no face. So, him did there. Him a play pool. And then, me start play Alkaline song. Ole male, la. Pum, left your panty, na. Everybody's supposed to know that song name. So, the song I play, him come to me and him say, what is the song I play upon? I say it's upon my phone. At that time, the song was connected through my phone to the boombox. So that was how everybody was hearing the song. Sorry, I know it's kind of distracting. Sorry, I know it's kind of distracting, but my feet this week. So, him goes to boom, and him asked me for the song. So, I tell him, so because it has saying, pan the blue box, them time there, I don't think WhatsApp was about, honestly, me remember having WhatsApp them time there. Me don't know about nobody else, but me don't remember WhatsApp them time there. But, remember Bluetooth. If they ask for Bluetooth in the song, I'm going to tell him, say, because it's on the box, if you take it off of the box, then I connect it to him, then the music now go in at the bar, and everybody are going to get distracted. So, me say, me tell him, say, when me reach one, me will send him the song. Push come to shove and him give me number, me give me number. But at the point in time, I wasn't looking on him because, as me told him, I just come out of a relationship and I never really look for date nobody. And him never look me. The truth is, he did not look me. I gave him my number. He gave me his number. I never texted him. Honestly, I think I did send him the song. Him said thanks, and that was the end of the conversation for like a long time. A really long time. I told her, oh, I know him back now. I was about to keep to do a beach trip, because I used to do a beach trip every 18th of August and every 1st of August. I used to carry out beach trips. So, I was sending out broadcast messages from like 4 months before my beach trip. Because I needed to make sure that, the first time I tell you, it's like from way before this time, like probably a year or so. Cause me meet him before, but I didn't know that it was him, cause I never know him. Anyways, as me I tell you now, I got a boom, I'm my baby father. My son was a broadcast now, like a year after. But his number was always in my phone. I added him to the broadcast. Remember when I messaged him for the song? He did say thank you, so apparently it looked like he saved my number. No, this was when WhatsApp no actually start work, like when people know about WhatsApp. I got a boom now. And my son was a broadcast. I'm invite everybody to the beach trip. He responded and he said, how much is the beach trip? He has 2 friends that he always go out with, and he, like, if he's coming, they're coming. Like, he might go make them come too. That was 2 of his friends. And he shared it out, and some persons that knew him and knew me, because them say him a the panic, cause me never know say he was a vibes person. I didn't know much about him. But the fact that him did in the streets, a lot of persons know him, which I did not know at the time. I collaborated with him after finding out, because I realized that with him by my side planning the beach trip, then I would make more money. Because the fact that along with him were 2 more persons that like more money than someone could have make, he was also able to get me other persons to get seats on the bus, which was very good for me. And his friends were comfortable because he was there too. And we collaborated. So it's like I now started talking to him very close, like 4 months before the beach trip. We started talking very close. So it's like for the first 2 nights, remember, because I messaged him and he was talking about his friends and about getting other persons for me. So we were like constantly talking to each other now. Until we got super close. Like, he calls me every minute, I call him every minute. Like, I started seeing him often. He started waiting for me when I'm coming from work. At this time now, remember, I met him when I was working in a bar. A year after, when we reconnected, I am now working as an apprentice for Heart at the Christiana Police Station. So that was a big upgrade for me. I was also getting like $20,000 allowance every 2 weeks from my cousin. I also had relocated from where I was living first, and I was now living in Mandeville full time with my cousin. So it's like you know, and then this guy, like, he is super charming. He knows how to sweep a girl off her feet. Like, he knows how to do all that. So for me, talking to him like a day or 2 was all I needed to fall in love instantly. That's the truth. However, we were dating. We started dating about 2 weeks into talking. We started dating, but we did not have sexual intercourse. We liked each other, but we never, like, push it out and say, yeah, like, we really like each other. Then I had a friend that thought she came to my house the week before the trip because I wanted her to help me plan. So she came over like the week before the trip. So she met him once along with his friend, and that was the first time when we actually did something together. Not sex. We met at a bar. It was an upstairs and downstairs bar, but the bar had like an open top, so you could go up there, go sit down and catch fresh air and things. So all of us were up there along with his friends, and we were playing Who Can Do Icky the Brighties. We were playing that game, and he chose me, I chose him. I also had chose his friend. I had put an icky on his friend's neck. I also put 2 on his neck, and they did the same thing to me. We were just playing. Like, he said he was single, I was single. We were all just messing around as single people, and that's just how it happens, guys. You can't judge people because everybody did single. We go so boom now, and in friend, my friend realized that she liked him instantly. As she see him, she liked him. Like me, it took some time. I liked him, but I was afraid to tell him that I liked him because of my previous relationship. But he kind of afraid to open up and say, yo, I like you, I like you. Yeah, I never have been afraid. So goodbye to him. I got some boom now with a girl. And the guy, me tell the guy so the girl like him. And him tell me say, she not really him speed like for date, but like for just, and yeah, he probably can, whatever. But him said she wasn't his speed to date. Anyways, I realized the fact that she come in at the picture now and she like the boy, me start get jealous. If him call my phone, like, him the 2 with the same place, and if he's calling on my phone, him call. So when him call my phone, and me answer, and me and her talk to him, is like, me just feel some type of way. I want the girl to move. I want the girl come off of the phone. I don't want the girl talk to him. I don't want the girl see him. Yeah, but just don't want her around in period. I want her to go all her corners and go look somebody else. But I'm afraid to tell her, come and say, yo, my friend, and I me set her up on him. And they know that she likes him a lot. I like him a lot. And I don't know what to do because both of us like the boy. Sister, me start catch up on my feelings. So me text him, hear me. You like my friend? Him say, why am I ask? But he's the type of person that he throws stuff off. So, like, if I tell him, say the dog, yeah, ready? Him start talk about something else. Him not gonna talk about it because it's not something that whatever he's not comfortable talking about, he always try to throw it off. But through me is a constant, girl. Me want know. So anyways, it's like, the night before the beach trip now, he call and him tell me, say, for make like sandwiches and fried chicken and them something. So, him basically did that tell me what him want to eat. And then me and her did a cook. She did the most of the cooking. Cause me never like cook them. Me period, like me not going in the kitchen them time then. None at all. No kitchen. If me do go in the kitchen, I must see sandwich. Me gonna make and juice and come out. Cooking and not me. So as she did really do the cooking and things. She cook fried chicken, cook rice and what only pass something. Anyways, the day after the beach trip come now, people. The big day come. Me and the girl and him and him friend them and everybody else meet up, everybody pay them money, everybody dip on the bus, everybody alright. When me see my friend I look pan him, you know, the boy come and the boy look good. The boy look good. And when me see my friend I look pan him, I could even stay sober. Me I forgot back. I buy 1 quart red label wine. 1 quart of red label wine, I buy 1 whole quart of red label wine, I buy. I'ma drink it down. Me drink off 1 meal, little me, where everybody when know me now know say me can't drink. So I don't know if me drink 1 quart of red label wine, I don't know say a problem. Me drink 1 quart of red label wine. When me drink 1 quart of red label wine, I never too really know myself. I never tell you that. I never really know myself. I know what I was doing, but the part of me that actually cared about people's feelings and stuff, it wasn't there. If I had sex, I knew that I had sex. If I kiss somebody, I know I'm going to kiss somebody. But like for care about what somebody else think about it is not me. Listen, me and the boy up on the beach side. And him said to me, say like, why you sitting up on the beach side and you can't beach trip and not even enjoy yourself? And me I said, because I can't swim. Hey, me can't beach trip people and can't swim. You believe that? So him say, I can't swim. I said, no, I can't swim. Good girl. You don't know what I say? That man say, come make him go teach me how to swim. Buddy, me and the boy in the water. And you to all me cock up my foot on the boy, but they have my hand on boy and I can boy body feel nice. Me just tell myself, say, look here. A long time me know you. I never know some me want you before, but now me know some me want you. Me, I forget some of that the body them, not ask Christ. Me, I forget some of that the dick there. Yeah, girl. Never say no more. Me and me do. Me and boy in the water, I just start kiss up that. Me just start kiss him up. I know business who like you or who you like. And that me want down the sir. And that me I go get right now. I start kiss the boy, suck out and everything. Everything. Yeah. So it's like him said to me, say, you want to be, yes, so like we can't do it. Yes, but me never pay, I'm busy. But say me half frosting, so I'm not busy, so want to see me and do it in the water, you know. The first place we have sex in the water. Aquasal! Big up on the dirty self. Yeah, don't aquasal in the water. First place we do look sexing. So I'm going to say, boom, my love, and in camera run at the part, because you know how aquasal set. They have one part on the sir. We appear reef run there, and you can just sit down on the coral reef. And, so we go around there, but something that kind of juke way past. So we end up, go back in the water part, and we are do look something. And in front of them, I look pan, and I say, no, say sex, them a sex in the water, do them. And we do the little sex in the water. And me not tell no lie. You see, when we left, and come back to Mandeville, we sex again. And the other day, we sex again. And from that, we never stop sexing until we have 2 nice picnic. And life coming at the way and something. So, people, me not tell no lie. But you kind of feel like I do that to my friend, you know. Because I know she did like him. But me did like him too good body. I'm sorry. Better you than me. Anyways, people, thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys watch it to the end. Let me know if you enjoyed it. Peace out.